Okay, we're gonna run through part 1 of how to do chemical equations and also review exercise 1. Okay, so you have acid plus reactive metal gives you salt plus hydrogen gas. Okay, so sulfuric acid plus zinc will give you the salt zinc sulfate. Okay, and because it is metal plus acid, it will give you hydrogen gas. So you have sulfuric acid, H plus, SO4, 2 minus. So you need to cross, it will give you H2SO4. Okay, plus zinc metal gives me zinc sulfate, zinc 2 plus, SO4 2 minus. So 2 plus 2 minus will cancel out. Give me zinc sulfate plus hydrogen gas. Okay, and then next I check if it's balanced. So in this case it is balanced. Then we add in the state symbol. So sulfuric acid is aqueous because it's an acid. Zinc is a solid because it's a metal. Then we have zinc sulfate. Okay, this one you don't need to know. So for now it's aqueous. Hydrogen is gas. Okay, next one. Nitric acid plus zinc. So zinc plus nitric acid will give you zinc nitrate. So plus hydrogen gas. Because it's metal plus acid. So nitric acid is H plus and O3 minus. So 1 plus 1 minus will cancel. So you have nitric acid, but you can just memorize the formulas for sulfuric acid, nitric acid, and hydrochloric acid. It will be very useful. Okay, zinc metal is Zn. Zinc nitrate is a bit trickier, so you have zinc 2 plus and O3 1 minus. So you need to remember to cross. So you get zinc nitrate, the whole thing bracket. Okay, plus hydrogen gas. Now you'll notice that it's not balanced because I have 2 nitrates on the right, but only 1 nitrate on the left. So I'll put a 2 here to balance it. Okay, and then my hydrogen is also balanced. So everything is balanced, then I add in my state symbols. So nitric acid is aqueous, zinc is a solid, and zinc nitrate is aqueous. That's why you don't need to know yet. I will teach you later on solubility of salts. So no need to worry about the solubility of the salts. Okay, hydrogen gas. Next one, magnesium sulfate. Okay, so you get magnesium sulfate plus hydrogen. Okay, next, then you write the formula. So sulfuric acid is H2SO4. Magnesium metal is Mg. It's by itself. Acid plus metal give you salt plus hydrogen. So magnesium sulfate Mg2 plus SO4 2 minus. So 2 plus and 2 minus will cancel out. So you get MgSO4 plus hydrogen gas. Okay, and this is aqueous, solid. This is aqueous. Hydrogen is a gas. Then we check if it's balanced. It is balanced. So we are done with this equation. The final one, magnesium plus nitric acid. So magnesium plus nitric acid will give you magnesium nitrate. Okay, acid plus metal give you hydrogen gas. So we write the formula. So nitric acid is HNO3. The magnesium is Mg to give you magnesium nitrate. So Mg2 plus. Nitrate is NO3 1 minus. So you need to cross because they are different. So you'll get Mg NO3 2 plus hydrogen gas. Okay, so you see on the right you have 2 nitrates. On the left I only have 1 nitrate, so I need to put a 2 there. Right? And then I add in my state symbol. So by now you would realize that the acids are always equals. Okay, magnesium is solid. Most of the salts are actually equals. Equals there, hydrogen gas. Okay, and then we are done. The next part I've already gone through with you. So it's to put a lighted spleen. It will extinguish with a pop. So you'll notice that your copper, silver, gold, and platinum as well, they don't react with acids. We'll cover this more on the metals. Okay, let's go through the review questions. So properties of acids are due to hydrogen ions. Okay, which of the following salts is from nitric acid? So must have a nitric inside. So it's calcium nitrate because of the nitrate. Which one don't react with hydrochloric acid to produce salt? So which metals do not react with acids? So it will be your copper, silver, gold, and also platinum. But we don't really deal with platinum much. So copper. Right, balance equations for this. So you have zinc, plus hydrochloric acid give you zinc chloride. Okay, so remember zinc 2 plus, Cl1 minus cross, that's hydrogen gas. In this case, they don't ask us for state symbols, so usually we will not state, but as good practice, it will be good to state. Okay, so you have hydrogen and chlorine there, so you need to balance it. So in this case, they never ask us for state symbols, so I'm just going to leave out the state symbols. That's what you should do also for your exam. Okay, lithium plus sulfuric acid. So lithium plus sulfuric acid would give me lithium sulfate. So lithium 1 plus, SO4 2 minus, cross, you get lithium sulfate plus hydrogen gas. Okay, and then make sure that it's balanced. So I have 2 lithiums there, so I need to make sure I have 2 lithiums here also. Okay, and then the last one, magnesium plus nitric acid. Okay, so magnesium plus nitric acid will give me magnesium nitrate. So Mg2 plus and O3 1 minus. So I must remember to cross because they are not equal. Plus hydrogen gas. Okay, and then balance it. So balance.